What's the meaning of Blondie? Blondie. Blondie.
Blondie. Blondie. Blondie can refer to a few different things, depending on the context. The most common use of the term is as a nickname for someone who has blonde hair. It could also refer to the American rock band formed in the 1970s, which was named after lead singer Debbie Harry's bleached blonde hair. In some contexts, Blondie may refer to a type of dessert bar made with brown sugar, butter, and blonde-colored chocolate chips. Overall, the term blondie typically carries connotations of youthfulness, attractiveness, and perhaps a certain carefree attitude.